Now the question is, for an incompressible flow through a pipe of constant diameter in a full developed region, the mean velocity is constant. What about the mean velocity in developing region? If you take a pipe of constant diameter where incompressible flow is there, incompressible flow. We know what is incompressible flow. That means when the liquid is flowing throughout the length of along the length of the pipe here, the density of the fluid will not be changing at all. So incompressible flow means that's the explanation. Now in this case, let's assume up to this length L1, let's assume that like it is up to this length L1, it is developing region. And this length will be corresponding to, that means from here the flow will be fully developed here, so this will be go on fully developed region. Now in this one, if you compare between the mean velocities between the fully developed region and the developing region here, in this case we observe that it is an incompressible flow. So as it is incompressible flow here, volume flow rate must remain constant. Volume flow rate must be constant in these two regions here. So what I am going to take is, I will take one cross-sectional area at here, another cross-sectional area in the developed region here. So Q in this case, that means Q1 must be equal to Q2, and we know the value of Q, A1 V1, A2 V2, areas, corresponding areas and velocities, average velocities here. So V1 is average velocity at 1, V2 is average velocity at 2. Okay, so these are two values here. So we have to need the value of V2 here. So in this case, as the pipe is of constant diameter, A1 is equal to A2. So simply V1 will become V2. So the answer will become, it is equal to the mean velocity of the fully developed region here. Understand? So the answer is this one here.